Boston's skyline has been transforming rapidly, especially over the past 5 years, with major developments bringing luxury condos, world-class amenities, and modern design to the city. If you're interested in the newest residential real estate developments and the best in luxury living, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the newest condo projects that are either currently being built or breaking ground soon. These are some of the most exciting new developments not just in Boston, but the country as well. This video will showcase stunning high-rises, cutting-edge amenities, and prime locations that buyers and investors will want to know about. Whether you're searching for a new home or just curious about the future of Boston real estate, stay tuned as these are some incredible projects you won't want to miss. Really quick, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a residential real estate advisor here in Boston, Massachusetts. I work with people from all over looking to buy, lease, or invest in the city and suburbs. If you have any questions about these properties, other luxury buildings, or real estate in general, please message or call me anytime. My direct contact information is displayed here on screen and in the video description below. Getting right into it, starting with the smaller scale projects first. Number 1, in the vibrant Bay Village neighborhood, we have 25 Isabella Street. La Victoire at 25 Isabella Street is an adaptive reuse project transforming a historic church originally built in 1891 into a modern residential condominium complex. Located in Boston's Bay Village, a compact neighborhood nestled between Back Bay, the South End, and the Theater District, this development aims to blend historic preservation with contemporary design. The project involves a substantial renovation and expansion of the existing church structure to create approximately 40,000 square feet of residential space. This will accommodate 18 condominium units, offering a mix of 1, 2, and 3 bedroom layouts. 2 of these will be affordable units and income restricted. The development includes 18 on-site parking spaces, utilizing a semi-automated system, as well as a dedicated bicycle storage room. Architecturally, the design preserves the original masonry exterior of the church while introducing a contemporary 7-story addition set back from Isabella Street. The new structure features materials and profiles that complement the historic facade, including triangular bays inspired by the church's original arched windows. This approach maintains the integrity of the neighborhood's fabric while providing modern living spaces. Sustainability is a key focus of the project. The building is planned to be all-electric, utilizing air source heat pumps for heating and cooling. The building envelope is designed to exceed energy code requirements, and the parking system is configured to support electric vehicle charging for all spaces. The development has undergone extensive community engagement, resulting in a reduction from the initially proposed 26 units to 18 larger units, catering to families and aligning with neighborhood preferences. La Victoire will be completed in late 2025 to early 2026. Unit finishes, appliances, and pricing are still to be determined. Switching to the waterfront, directly on the Rose Kennedy Greenway, is 55 India Street. The 55 India Street project is a notable development in between Boston's downtown and waterfront, aiming to transform a previously underutilized site into a modern residential and commercial space. Located adjacent to the Rose Kennedy Greenway, this 12-story mixed-use building is set to enhance the vibrancy of the neighborhood while respecting its historical context. Developed by Boston Residential Group, the building will encompass approximately 67,000 square feet, featuring 29 residential units and up to 4,000 square feet of ground floor commercial space. The commercial space is programmed for a fine dining restaurant with outdoor seating facing the greenway, aiming to enhance the residential character of the waterfront. Each condominium is designed with 3 bedrooms and includes private balconies, offering residents views of the waterfront, the greenway, and the Boston skyline. Amenities are planned to include doorman services, common lounges, and resident storage. Architecturally, the design by Hassan Plus Associates incorporates premium materials and fine detailing to create a stunning facade that complements the greenway. The building's facade is intended to harmonize with the historic fabric of the financial district while presenting a modern aesthetic along the greenway edges. In October 2024, The developer secured $90 million in financing to build the condominium tower at 55 India Street, breaking ground in January of 2025, with a scheduled completion in 2026. This development not only offers new housing, but also contributes to the ongoing revitalization of the area, providing additional commercial amenities and enriching the community. Next is the EL at 1395 Washington Street, a luxury condominium development in Boston's South End, offering 33 meticulously designed residences that blend modern elegance with the neighborhood's historic charm. The 6-story building features a mix of studios, 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units, each thoughtfully crafted to provide a serene and inviting atmosphere. Interiors boast floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the spaces with natural light, complemented by wide plank oak flooring. Kitchens are equipped with two-tone cabinetry, Carrara quartz countertops, and high-end stainless steel appliances, creating a contemporary yet functional space. Pricing for these residences varies based on unit size and layout. For example, Unit 501, a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, spanning 758 square feet, is listed at a little over $1 million. The EL provides an array of premium amenities designed to enhance urban living. A standout feature is the expansive common roof deck, offering panoramic views of downtown Boston and the surrounding neighborhood. Equipped with a gas fire pit, grilling stations, and dining areas, the rooftop serves as an ideal space for relaxation and social gatherings. Additional amenities include secure package delivery storage, a dedicated pet spa, bike and ski storage, and direct elevator access, catering to the diverse needs of residents. Situated between West Dedham Street and Union Park Street, the EL offers access to the lively South End neighborhood, renowned for its Victorian architecture, tree-lined streets, and exceptional dining and shopping options. This prime location allows residents to immerse themselves in the neighborhood's dynamic cultural scene while enjoying the comforts of modern luxury living. With construction underway and expected completion in late 2025, the EL at 1395 Washington Street presents a unique opportunity for those seeking contemporary elegance in one of Boston's oldest and most iconic neighborhoods. Next, in one of Boston's most transformed areas, One Harbor Shore Drive, is an upcoming luxury condominium development in the Seaport District, poised to redefine waterfront living. This 16-story tower will feature over 130 upscale residences, offering unparalleled views of Boston Harbor and the city skyline. Developed by the Fallon Company, known for their highly successful projects next door at 22 and 50 Liberty Drive, One Harbor Shore Drive is located on one of the last remaining direct waterfront parcels in the Seaport. The development encompasses approximately 245,000 square feet, with plans for ground and second-floor public accommodations, including civic and cultural spaces. Construction has commenced with a planned delivery date in 2026. In mid-2022, developers secured a $215 million construction loan, highlighting the project's financial viability and significance within the Boston real estate market. While specific details regarding unit layouts, interior finishes, and pricing have yet to be publicly disclosed, prospective residents can anticipate high-end finishes, state-of-the-art appliances, and a suite of luxury amenities consistent with other premier developments in the Seaport. Given its prime waterfront location, contemporary design, and the developer's esteemed reputation, One Harbor Shore Drive is set to become a landmark residence in Boston's thriving Seaport District. Pre-sales for One Harbor Shore Drive will begin in summer of 2025, giving buyers the opportunity to secure a residence in one of Boston's most highly anticipated new developments. Next, several minutes away at 700 Atlantic Ave in downtown Boston, the Ritz-Carlton Residences at South Station Tower is set to become one of Boston's most prestigious new luxury developments, redefining high-end living in the heart of the city. Rising 51 stories and standing 680 feet tall, this architectural masterpiece by Pelly Clark & Partners is being developed by Hines. Located directly above Boston's iconic South Station, the tower will feature Class A office space on the lower levels and 166 luxury residences, offering breathtaking views of the city skyline, Boston Harbor, Seaport, Back Bay, South End, and far beyond. This project has been in the works for almost 2 decades and is one of the most anticipated projects Boston has ever seen, with publications worldwide taking notice of this development. The residences begin at an elevation of over 450 feet, ensuring every Ritz-Carlton branded home enjoys stunning panoramic vistas. Interiors are designed with the highest level of craftsmanship, featuring floor-to-ceiling glass windows, custom-designed kitchens with Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, Calista fixtures, spa-inspired bathrooms, and refined finishes throughout. Pricing for these homes ranges from $1.3 million for one-bedroom units to over $14 million for select penthouse offerings. Residents will have access to an unmatched suite of amenities, including the club, a 15,000 square foot space 450 feet above the city, featuring a state-of-the-art fitness center, a heated outdoor pool and private treatment rooms, saunas, and elegantly designed social lounges. Additionally, the 1-acre private sky park includes resident gardens, walking paths, fire pits, and outdoor lounge areas. The grand lobby on the 11th floor provides direct access to the stunning outdoor oasis. Beyond the residential component, the South Station Tower development is transforming the area's transit and commercial landscape. The project includes a major expansion of the South Station bus terminal, increasing capacity by 50%, and a new vaulted concourse linking Atlantic Avenue to Summer Street. Pre-sales for the Ritz-Carlton residences at South Station Tower have already begun, with occupancy expected to start in late 2025. Given its unparalleled location, 5-star amenities, and Ritz-Carlton branding, this development is set to become one of Boston's most sought-after addresses. Moving to Back Bay, the Motor Mart garage, located at 201 Stewart Street, is undergoing a significant redevelopment to transform the historic structure into a vibrant, mixed-use complex. Originally constructed in 1927, the 8-story garage was once the largest parking facility in the world. The project aims to integrate modern residential, commercial, and recreational spaces while preserving the building's architectural heritage. Central to the development is the addition of a 20-story residential tower that will rise from the existing structure. This new construction will house approximately 231 condominium units, offering a range of layouts from studios to 3-bedroom residences. The design emphasizes modern living, with units featuring high-end finishes and luxury appliances. Residents will enjoy expansive views of the downtown Boston skyline and landmarks such as the Public Garden, Boston Common, the Charles River, and Cambridge. Amenities are a focal point of the development, enhancing the urban living experience. Planned features include private access to a spa, an indoor pool, a fitness center, a screening room, and a private dining area. Additionally, the rooftop of the existing garage will be transformed into a sky-level green space, complete with an outdoor lounge, zen garden, and dog park, providing residents with a serene retreat amidst the bustling city. The project scope also encompasses the retention of approximately 46,000 square feet of retail and restaurant space on the ground level, aiming to invigorate the streetscape and contribute to the neighborhood's vibrancy. Parking remains a priority, with plans to maintain 672 parking spaces within the garage to accommodate both residents and the public. The redevelopment has received approval from the Boston Planning and Development Agency, reflecting the city's support for the project's vision. While specific timelines for construction and completion have not been publicly disclosed, the project's approval indicates that the development is progressing. Several streets over in Copley Square, and lastly on this list, is Copley Place Tower, a proposed 52-story residential skyscraper intended to rise approximately 625 feet above Boston's Back Bay skyline. The development aimed to integrate with the existing Copley Place Mall at 100 Huntington Avenue, expanding the retail space by over 100,000 square feet. The tower was designed to include 109 ultra-luxury condominium units and 433 luxury apartments, offering residents panoramic views of the city. Amenities were to include common areas, a gym, pool, spa, movie theater, and direct access to high-end retail outlets and fine dining establishments within a glass-enclosed atrium. However, in 2016, the developer Simon Property Group announced the indefinite postponement of the project. This decision was attributed to rising construction costs and increasing competition from other luxury residential developments in Boston. As a result, the Copley Place Tower project has not advanced beyond the planning stages. However, this project is still included on this list because its potential to reshape Boston's skyline and introduce significant residential and retail space remains notable. While the Copley Place Tower is currently on hold, its scale, design, and prime Back Bay location would make this project highly sought after and one of the most exclusive offerings in the city. The project could be revisited or picked up at any time, especially since it was already approved by the Boston Planning and Development Agency. In conclusion, these new construction buildings represent some of the best and full-service luxury living in Boston, Massachusetts. Offerings in these developments will begin to become available for sale and will no doubt have a dramatic impact on the luxury real estate market in the city. If you have any questions about the properties mentioned, Boston, or real estate in general, you can contact me anytime. I am always happy to help and love working with people who find me through my YouTube channel. Whether you already live in Boston or relocating here for school or work, I'm ready to assist with your unique needs and situation. Check the description to book a meeting, email or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.